sixth sum. A lift is building at height of 90 feet. This is a lift. We can take this one as a lift. What is the height of the lift? Height is nothing but 90 feet. Total height is nothing but 90 feet. With a transparent glass walls. There is a transparent glass walls descending from top of the building. It's coming from top to bottom, descending. At the top of the building, the angle of depression with a fountain in the garden is there. This is a garden. This is a garden. Angle of depression, so I need to draw a line and need to. What is the angle of depression? Nothing but 60 degree. If this one is 60, I can take this one as 60 degree. Okay. Depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degree. This is a fountain. Garden, fountain. There is a depression of fountain. There is a fountain in the garden. Okay. See, 2 minutes later. 2 minutes later, from here to here is a 2 minutes later, he come down. No, it comes down. This take time is equal to 2 minutes. From here to here, from here he saw the fountain in the garden, 60 degree. Once again he got down. From here lift moves 2 minutes and stopped here. Now this angle of depression, now he see in the same fountain. This fountain is angle of depression is nothing but 30 degree. This one is 30 means this one is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the, this is the entrance of the lift. From fountain to entrance of the lift 30 root 3 meter. Sorry, feet, not meter, feet. From the entrance of the lift, find the speed of the lift which is descending. From here to here, what is the speed of the lift which is descending? This is a descending portion. This is a descending portion. Better I will find this distance. I need to find this distance. So only from here to here they given 2 minutes. From here to here they given 2 minutes. First we'll find the distance, because you know the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to distance by time. If we're going to find this distance, we can divide by 2 so that we get the speed of the lift. So this distance is must. So I'm going to take this one as h. So what is this one? 90 minus h. Why 90 minus h? Because this total is 90. No, totally 90. So this is h means this will be 90 minus h. So I will find answer for h. If I'm going to find answer h, then easily I can find answer. First, in a right triangle. In a right triangle, first I will name A, B, C, D. In a right triangle A, C, D, I taken the big triangle, full 60 degree. 60 degree, no. For A, C, D, tan 60 is equal to opposite. What is opposite? 90. Adjacent is 30 root 3. Tan 60 is 1 by root 3. See, 90 by 30 root 3. If we are going to say there is nothing present here, there is no x, there is no y, there is nothing we can't able to find using this. Okay, so it is not useful. So I am derived by using 60. The answer is not coming. So I move to and 30. In a right triangle, this is very very important. In a right triangle, what I can take? BE, next this one, BE, CD, BCD, the same tan 30. BCD, tan 30 is nothing but opposite. What is opposite here? 90 minus h. What is this one? 30 root 3. Adjacent. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus h divided by 30 root 3. Root 3 cancel. 30 moves here. 30 is equal to 90 minus h. Minus h moves become plus s. 30 moves here. 90 minus 30. See, is nothing but 60 feet. How the answer I have got? The simple way. Some questions some students will ask, why we should not use 60? Why we should not use 60? Because there is no x, there is no y, there is no h also, there is no h. What I need to find? Nothing I am not able to find. So only this useless, not useless. Leave it as it is. If I go and take another triangle, the answer is coming. See, we need to find h. No, answer it came. Therefore, speed of the lift. Speed of lift is equal to distance by time. Distance is 60. What is time? Time is 2 minutes. Therefore, 30. Answer is 30 feet per minute. Because speed, no. Unit is feet, this is minute.